So today we're going to be installing the Pioneer backup camera. There we go. And I'm going to say it right now in the beginning, make it extremely simple for everyone because the videos on YouTube aren't really, they're like 20 minutes long and don't get to the point. So you have two harnesses. You have the one that goes to your radio and the one for the camera. You connect those two together, and then this has your ground and your power and your signal wire. Signal. That connects to the back of your stereo. Red connects to your reverse trigger, and black connects to your ground. Simple, right? Alright, we're gonna do it on the matrix here. Excuse the mess. I went to the junkyard recently, and we're gonna pop off the panel here. Pop it off. So we're gonna need to run our wire from this area down the hatch and come out through there so that we could go through there and then run it all along the vehicle to mount it, just like have it back here. So let's go ahead and do that. So incredibly easy way to get the wire through the hatch is I got this wire, steel wire, and I fed it through here, and now you can see it came out over here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab the end of this wiring harness. We're gonna grab the end of it and we're gonna tape it right here, and then we're just gonna pull on it out. Hopefully it comes out right here. Voila, simple. So I already went ahead and routed the wire through the rubber boot down into the roof headliner, and I made it come out underneath the headliner right here. So now we're just gonna run it down all along. So I already went ahead and installed my mount. I used 3 self-tapping screws. Hopefully this slows the robber down a bit, or I hope it just, I don't know. Let's see if it doesn't get stolen, because I kind of wanted to get a license plate frame one, but I was reading a lot of reviews on the Pioneer one and it said it was pretty good at night. So hopefully this secures it a bit better, but let's go reinstall it now. So you can see here, you gotta mount it up. Just gotta put the screws on each side, but I forgot if this is upside down or correct way, so I'm just gonna leave it alone for now, and I'm gonna test it out over there. And once I see that if it's either good or upside down, I'll flip it over whichever way I have to. And you can see I already went ahead and put the boot back on right here and right here, and now the wire's hanging on from the headliner. So we're just gonna run it all along down the weather stripping, come out to the back light right here, trigger that to the reverse light, and go from there. So I ran the wire all along the weather stripping, and I had to take this one off so that I was able to push this back, pull this back a little bit, and feed the wire behind this panel, and it came out right here. So here's the wire, and we're gonna go ahead and tap into this one now. We're gonna connect this camera one to the harness, and then we're gonna find a ground somewhere back here and ground the negative. I'll probably end up grounding it on somewhere right here. I'm gonna end up grounding it. I'm gonna rub off a little bit of the paint and just ground it right there. So change of plans. Since I tried to tap into the brake light right here, or the reverse light, the wire started to just stretch. So what I ended up doing is just sent the whole wire all the way to the front. Sent the wire all the way to the front, and I was running it up along the, right here, the weather stripping. I just tucked it in underneath the door sill, the middle part right here. And you can see the wires already exposed right here, and I have the whole harness right here. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull out the radio, and we're gonna connect the video in. Sorry about the mess, guys. Video in, and then we're gonna tap into the reverse, which is right here. It is black on red. You have 2 for left and right, and you can see right here, what is that? Black on red. So we're gonna tap into that. So when we pull out a radio, we're gonna have that brown connector, backup camera in. So we're gonna connect right there.
Debes de poner uno de esos a tu carro, mijo. No le muevas de.
So I already ended up wiring the camera to the head unit. And so what I did was I tapped into the reverse trigger right here, and I sent the wire to the back of the head unit, and I tapped into the purple that says reverse input, reverse gear signal input. So if you don't connect that, the radio's not gonna know when to go into rear view reverse. So here I'm putting it in reverse, and there it shows in reverse. Go back into park, and it goes away. Like, it was really simple issue, and I was over here struggling with it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put everything back together.
Vamos para atrás y tú.